Cheers!
Oh no, why is the machine not working?
Where is my drinks? I'm so thirsty.
I'm sorry. Please kindly wait a minute.
What is happening? Oh no.
Please stay calm.
Unbelievable.
I'll rate your restaurant 1 star.
1 star.
That's terrible. Rate 1 star.
Oh no.
The customers all gone.
I have an idea to attract customers.
How to build the soda vending machine. Step 1. Build the beverage pump. Add water pipe. Propeller. Add water. Step 2. Build the frame. Connect the pump to the machine. Cup holder. Step 3. Complete assembly.
Welcome.
How can I assist you?
1 Fanta and 2 French fries, please.
Okay.
Here's your fries.
Thanks.
Your drink is over there.
Enjoy your meal.
A giant Fanta cup.
We're running a special promotion for our restaurant.
Amazing. I rate your restaurant 3 stars.
Thank you.
My turn next.
I wanted to. I love this restaurant.
The biggest drink I've ever seen.
Awesome.
Your drink are ready.
Machine assembly workshop.
Guys, we got a new order this morning.
Urgent! We need 3 vending machines here.
Crap, we need to assemble them fast.
But yesterday we were so exhausted.
Yesterday. Oh!
Let's build an automatic component feeder here.
Oh!
How to build the loading rotary table. 1. Build the rotating drive. This mechanism powers the rotation and keeps the whole platform spinning smoothly. The motor. 2. Build the platform frame. I'll shape this frame like a triangle so it can hold 3 modules and keep them stable while the platform rotates. Component tray. Testing. Let's test it with these vending machines.
Let's run the machine. Now time to assemble the first vending machine.
Oh! Whoa!
All parts are tight and perfectly in place.
This machine looks so cute.
All right, moving on to the second one.
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh!
The second machine is done. Awesome! The third vending machine is in position.
Whoa!
Oh!
Whoa!
last one.
Our order is complete. We should deliver them now.
Let's go!
I will exchange trash for money. It's a lucky day for me. I'm going to exchange so many coins today. I can exchange trash for a lot of money. Mr. Hand, the street is overflowing with giant piles of trash. How to collect giant trash?
Let's build the new reverse vending machine.
Step 1. Build the sorting mechanism. Step 2. Build the feeding mechanism. Step 3. Build the payment door. Step 4. Set up system. Testing. Step 5. Build the machine casing.
Oh, it's so big. Let's see who can exchange more trash for money.
I have exchanged 2 coins.
I'll exchange more coins than Mr. Hand.
Wow, that's a lot of points.
Why do you have more money than me? That's not fair. What the heck is this?
I'm giving you trash to exchange for money.
Can you throw this away?
Throw this in the trash, please.
Can you toss this out?
Please take out the trash for us over here, too.
Ooh, it smells awful.
The marvelous capsule vending machine. Wow! I want it, but I can't buy it. I decide to search for something unbelievable. I think I can build it with Lego. To begin, use the Lego Mindstorm set. Next, add the zones and done.
Yeah! Oh my God! Wow!
I will assemble the individual parts and then connect them together. Now, place the colored ball tray on top.
1.
Just $2 for each turn. The sound of money. I can't wait to see inside it. Wow, it's a stress ball. What can you do with it? Stretch it, squeeze it. Who needs a stress ball? It's me. It's like a mini workout for your worries.
2.
I wonder what we'll get this time. Let's see. A dino egg. It feels like a real treasure hunt.
2,000 years later.
My baby dinosaur. I'm your daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
3.
I will try the green color. Spring doll. A simple joy of fitting each part together. It looks so clumsy cute. It can turn any frown upside down.
4.
Let's see what's in here. It's handheld console. I can raise some chickens. A handheld console is small and easy to use.
5.
I'm so excited. My favorite yo-yo. Twist, turn, glow, playing with it. Stress just melts away.
6.
Pop It bracelet. Popping a pop, it brings a burst of joy and becomes my favorite accessory, the unique bracelet.
7.
Who knew slime could be so addicting?
8.
The spinner. The flexible spinner, creating and changing its form with ease. It can also transform into many different shapes. Spinning with your fingers and watch it go round and round.
9.
With a clay, you can knead and shape it. You can make anything from clay you want.
10.
Looks like my wallet's on a diet. Squishy. It is as cute as jelly. I'd almost want to eat it.
Do you want to eat me?
Yes.
Hey, don't eat me.
11.
I have never played gravity sand before. Shall we try it? Oh, how satisfying. Mold it into a castle.
What?
It doesn't look like the castle. So ugly. I don't want to see it anymore. 11 anti-stress items that I got from this machine. If you want a mystery egg, let's comment to receive it.